So, here is the book, The Science of Success by James Arthur Ray. Author said, I have always been fascinated by why people like Gandhi, Einstein, and Martin Luther King succeed in life, while other people who may have been equally talented and hardworking did not succeed. Why do some people always seems to win while others don't? Your desire to be passionately engaged in life and work of your dreams and to be successful in everything you do. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy ideals. You are the only person who can define success for you. Make sure you choose your own direction rather than pursuing goals that society or other people tell you that you should want. Einstein said, imagination is more important than. Here is the most important sentence of this book. God's greatest gift to you is your unlimited potential. Your greatest gift to God is to use potential to the fullest. Bottom line up, the law of vibration and the law of attraction tell us this. What you think about, you bring about. You think positive thoughts, you attract positive people and circumstances to you. When you think negative thoughts, you attract negative people and circumstances. So always think positive. Your thoughts can attract your dreams or your fears. If you think about your dreams, you will attract them. If you think about your fears, you will attract the things you fear. What you say, so shall you reap. If you put a lot out, you get a lot back. You can't get back something other than what you give. You can't grow potatoes by planting corn, and you can't reap diamonds by planting rocks. Here author gave a example of a radio waves. You know those radio waves are there even though you can't see them. You know that if you turn on a radio and turn it to a particular station, you could hear them. You just have to tune it to the right frequency. To get the music you want in your life, your highest success, you just have to tune it to the right station and lock on. Author emphasized a person should have a vision. And he said, a vision is not a goal. A vision is much broader and more compelling than a goal. It is complete overall picture of your life that include both personal and professional endeavors. So what is the power of visualization? So Michael Jordan always runs through the entire game in his mind before he ever leaves the locker room. Every shot, every move, every pass is a mental image before it becomes a physical reality.